Hi Gemini. So this is your bonus reading for August month. So I'm gonna pull the cards and clarification cards too in other deck and the angel messages and the guidance. Okay. So this will be your bonus reading for this month. So first Gemini, then Libra, then Aquarius. Sun and rising Venus, Gemini. What's going on with Gemini? Gemini. Um, Gemini. So, Gemini, for you, the Knight of Pentacles where might be a very slow moment. Like there is no um, sudden positive changes. I feel like you're not able to move forward. Maybe because of your overthinking. You're just I'm feeling you're in the sad moment now, or maybe something happened in past. Maybe you're overthinking that, and maybe taking a concern not to allow it again to happen in your life. Like whatever you have been planted, or maybe tried to have, like maybe created the path, your own path, to create a new path you've already created, which you already have put lot of effort, you're working on it still. But right now I'm feeling there is a stuck, there is a security, like safety measures you're taking. Maybe you're trying to expand and check it whether it is secure for you for future. Maybe you're focusing on it, maybe you're more workaholic, I think. Maybe there is lot of tendencies being selfish, like maybe the laziness, maybe a few times you feel lazy, like few moments you won't be lazy, or other moments you'll be very fast moving. It is like one time you want it, other time like let me take time. Something you're holding on yourself, maybe the foundations which you have already worked on, or you have put efforts to create, it has been very nicely come up. Like it's like assuring you to harvest more, like to harvest every day in your life on that thing. It's time to show little loyalty, pride, trustworthiness, because uh, you are completely withdrawn with your energy, maybe in relationship, or maybe in work progress, or the workspace, whatever it is. You tend to be your own while uncovering your unwavering ambitious for future. So sometimes your energy is stable, that feels repetitive. So if you are feeling resistance, or if you had kind of prefer to stay in bed, find the joy in your progress. So uh, what I'm getting is the journey is the thing. Like you have to move. You can't hold like this for long time. You have to move, like which way it is open, which door is open, just move on. Uncover art stirring enthusiasm by allowing yourself to believe in something brighter. Okay. So this card, Knight of Pentacles, the Moon, the Hangman, which I have picked for clarification, is Six of Wands, the Magician, and Six of Cups, which is telling me you can create. The Magician is creator. Okay, the Magician is like a very good major arcana card, which is like it is like you can create your own life, like whatever you have been waiting for, or whatever you are into, hard working on it. Like maybe your natural skills, talents, powers, manifestation, creativity, resourceful, everything. The magician brings only the powerful messages of creation and potential. It is your potential, the potential which you have having, or which you have honed. So you have everything you need to succeed. So it is bad as manifesting energy from the cosmos, but all the skills you are required, they're at fingertips. Okay, so they are at your fingertips. Don't worry on that. Desire and action, when you consciously step into your personal power, decide to shape the material world. Okay, decide to shape the material world in this way. Every breath and every breath out, breath in and breath out, is an opportunity to carve a new meaning to your life. Okay, new perspective in reality. The people who are being disconnected with your partners, disconnected with your family members, disconnected with your lovers, or in relationship, if there is a quarrel or some conflict, then it is definitely a reconnecting card, which is like you are reconnecting with the people from the past for harmony and themes of your life. So inner child and future self, it has been very much positive changes from now for you. So after the August, or maybe the future after August, or you may feel in coming days, so you are very much sufficient, comfortable in your own feet. You may feel your own good, your own good. It is for your own good and for your family and uh, for your efforts, mainly for what you have manifested. Okay, so maybe without knowing or with knowing, you manifested certain energy which for love, career, maybe it is coming towards you now. So allow it to happen. Okay, allow it to happen. Open your arms, close your eyes, and pray for God. Allow it to happen in your life, because maybe the career, maybe if you want to look for a new job, there is a good opportunity. You may get new job immediately once you go. Like there is a several opportunities you can seize outside. Come out of your own world and just give a look to the environment around you. Come out of around you. I mean, like, you come out of your house or come out of your own circle boundaries and just reach outside the world, so that you can manifest more things outside. So now, after a long time being stuck, i may I may feel this is a very good reading for you for future from now. Like maybe you're in peace from the past, but I like you're experiencing some old memories to trigger you. So better come out of it, have a new experience, like have new adventures in your life, so that the growth, the inner child from you, the growth from there, it will shine your beauty. So where you are headed next is the time to beautiful thing to allow to happen. So that listen to advice. Okay, listen to advice, your inner child, or listen to the advice from your future self. So sometimes this is the card, literal message that someone from the past is going to re-enter in your life. Or it may be friend, it may be family member, it may be from long time you never spoke to them, they may reconnect with you, or maybe they may like you to connect with them again, or they may try to meet you, connect to you, the hold kindred and remnants which will happen. So allow it to happen. And one more thing is, when we connect with all our moments on our timeline, we truly find our wholeness, right? You have to feel it again. So when the doors open, when you feel that, the doors will open for you. So you can seize all the opportunities around you, or whatever you are manifesting to. Maybe the job, maybe I see for few people in marriages are gonna be settled, or marriages gonna be fixed, or maybe the partners gonna propose each other. Maybe they may be committed, get committed, or got like already committed, they go to marriage. If already marriage, there is a kids family. I see a huge great happiness in your family life. So this is very beautiful cards which I'm gonna pull now, angel messages for you. It's like whatever you have seed for, it has been uh, whatever you planted in your house, or maybe created a plant in your inner self. Maybe it is a growing seed. Actually, you are waiting to fruit it actually. So, Eight of Earth. One more angel message let me pick for Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for Gemini. For Gemini. Okay. So, the angels are very much. Lot of messages through angels I'm getting for you, Gemini. So maybe you're not. Maybe allowing it to happen, or maybe you're holding into some ego grudge from the past, or maybe lot of like you're suppressing the feelings, maybe that kind of thing is happening, so you're not allowing angels to uh, express to you, or maybe you're not listening to your angels. Just close your eyes. What your inner soul, inner child of your inner self of yours, like take giving you messages through your own soul, life or soul. Just take it. Maybe something is telling you to something is telling you to learn. Actually, maybe for your profession career, you're already been signed for your life. I think you're already committed to profession or for your career. Maybe you're trying to have your own vacation or project. Maybe you're definitely on the right track. Your dedication, skill and talents are appreciated, but it will be rewarded soon. Okay, so still there is more to learn, but consider taking classes. Few people are writing exams for your profession thing, or for, to have a migration, or to have a promotion for kind of next level purpose, who are gonna like who are already committed. Maybe for them there is a new type of study or research now called for. So maybe you can allow yourself to take some coaching classes for that, or maybe for your profession basis exams studies. Like it may be time to go back to school, like thing like that. So craftsmanship, like you have to craft your own profession now, it's the time for that. So your percentage of the results of your examination, it's like that kind of thing. So it will give you a best results. So it's time, like again I'm getting the ego, like what you're having the card, like indicating me that you have already focused on material things in your life. So even acknowledges like that you acknowledges that you, like everyone have physical needs. However, your attention to a, a compilation of possession. So accumulation of possessions is out of balance. So this card is like maybe see the way he's standing, maybe he's trying to balance in his own feet. But why you want to acquire these items? Like perhaps you're trying to fill an emotional void, okay, which material objects could never do. Okay, material objects will never give you anything in your life. What you're really craving, that what gives you real inner peace or spiritual path growth. So archangel, like Jophiel archangel, who helps us to experience. This angel will help, always help us to experience beautiful thoughts. Call upon Jophiel whenever you need to boost in how you feel about yourself, your life, and the world. So, so your eight of earth. This means skilled work rewarded, learning, like whatever I told you, the same thing, the right examination for your profession sake, those things which I mean is those things, how to know about the topic, going back to school. That is what the thing. um, and again a three of water, which means a celebration. Three of water is for me always a celebration. Maybe you're graduating from school, college. Maybe you're doing 90%, 95% distinction results. Maybe you're planning to have more fun in your career life, or maybe uh, fun means it's workaholic type, not those fun. it is a workaholic fun which always staying on the laptop computer and having a complete workaholic thing. So angels are like celebrations, pregnancy moment, or birth reunions, likely graduations or promotions, which I already told you. So you need to have more fun. You're working too hard and must learn to relax. First, throw a party and take a vacation. Maybe Gemini, you need vacation. Take a vacation. This card is vacation card, which is swimming or something. Like you need to try your own self, building your inner child qualities, or maybe connecting with your friends, moving out of town city, or traveling long travels. Everything is required, maybe vacation time for you. So after reaching out back, you will be always stuck in your work. So it will be, have a very good progression in your work after a vacation. So angels are telling, take a time, rest yourself, and again come into your work and start it back. Okay. Thank you, Gemini. This is your bonus reading, and please like, share, and subscribe. When subscribers are more or more, I'm getting like increased day by day, then I can go live for a reading. So help me to reach out more subscribers. Thank you. And one more thing is, this is for Gemini, no? So people, like few people, if it does not resonate to you, then don't worry. This is not your reading. If it resonates to you, it may be vice versa. If not, also it may be vice versa. Your partner or your family, Gemini people, whoever it is. And I see other signs also here. So maybe if you're dealing with other signs, fire signs, water signs, earth sign, I see all the signs here. So it may be theirs finally. So thank you. Please show some love, comment. So if it resonates, please comment, let me know how you feel, and please subscribe. And people can always contact me freely, like in comment section or ask questions. I am doing a Shri Tarot page in Facebook also, so you can even connect there, and give me a feedback. So the link will be given to you in description box. Please go and see it. Thank you.